Hi, my name is Holly. I created the brand Susrooms, where I make mushroom art. The most challenging part about painting isn't actually painting, it's staring at that blank canvas. It's been so fun every month to have an idea for what I want and to accomplish it. Now, this month was a little different because I actually went to Mexico. I got to see the pyramids over there. It really inspired me. I was really dumbfounded by the massive proportions of these things. It's also crazy what the pyramids were used for, but we will go back to that. I think what inspires me the most about seeing a pyramid in person is its massive size. So I really wanted to capture that whenever I was doing my painting. I didn't really want it to have like a crazy meaning. I just really wanted to paint a pyramid. To me, my kind of painting, I don't value perfection. Does that make sense? I value an effort. I value creativity at whatever cost. I value a better understanding of yourself. If creating helps you understand more about the world and yourself in a different perspective, I think that's a win. I wanted to mention a few facts about the pyramids. Coincidentally, I am actually taking an art and history class. They talked about the pyramids. So the difference between the first pyramids of the day and the pyramids that we know about most frequently, first pyramids were called mastabas. They were actually stepped versus the pyramids that are more pyramid shaped are much harder to create and master and understand the depth of their perfect geometry. The difference between those two was their complex creation process. Another thing to note is that the pyramids used to be coated in gold, so much so that if you're walking through the desert in Egypt, you would literally be blinded because it reflects the sun so much. I was like, oh, what? Now the pyramids that I also saw in person used to have some sort of coating. The difference between the pyramid that I saw and the ones that I learned about in Egypt, the one that I saw was a temple that you could actually walk up. There's stairs going all the way to the top, which is something else that I really wanted to note in this painting. I loved looking up at it and seeing the stairs to go up. Whenever you look at it at an angle, they're actually different in different places. It's just because the levels of the pyramid are at different lengths, which I really wanted to capture in my painting. So the pyramids in Egypt were actually called and considered funerary complexes, which sounds weird, but it's basically just a tomb. So the question arose whenever I was taking my course, why are they so tall? Why make something so massive and then bury someone but deep, deep under? I learned that the Egyptians actually thought of themselves as very closely related to gods to display this divinity, if you will. And so that's why they were so massive, which blows my mind.
Now I will be transitioning outside.
So actually in this painting, I had this copper paint. I wasn't really sure how well it would turn out, but if you actually turn the painting a little bit, it can shimmer because it's like this like reflective paint, which is perfect for what I'm wanting to paint with because it's literally a pyramid. Other places that I really like about this painting, I really loved creating the sky. I showed it all over Instagram whenever I was creating it because I was just so excited. So I'm not like a pro at skies really, and I wanted everything to be resembling like this curiosity, the fact that her dress was the ground and there were 3 moons and there was this giant pyramid. I'm just so happy with the way it turned out. I love it. I hope you enjoyed that. I really enjoyed working on it. I have the original painting for sale. I have the painting and art prints all available on my website or my Etsy. I think they're both linked to each other, so you can go check those out. My name's Holly. I made the brand Susrooms and I make mushroom art. Leave me a comment what you want me to paint next month. Bye.